Hi, I got this mailer in the mail and I've already covered it with some scrapbook paper and tore up and magazine and coated the inside, and it's really stiff. It's folded up. I think it was some sort of travel magazine or catalog of some sort, but I really liked the shape of it and I just thought it was really fun. I've drug it through some gesso, as you can see, and I never did really finish any major art projects on it other than the face there. So, but I really like this shape. So I kind of wanted to show you how to make that. And I did a little practice. It's really simple to do. Again, using scrapbook paper. You could use, like I did, this is the one-sided one, and it makes a little cute little card to go inside a number 10 envelope. So that would work. But let me show you how to do this. I'm going to use a piece of scrapbook paper that's double-sided with color on both sides, and you can fill it full of art. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to measure the first measurement at 3.5 inches. So I'm just going to measure. Am I on screen here? Sorry about that. I'm going to measure up 3.5 inches. I'll do it on the bottom and the top. 3.5 inches. Then my next measurement is going to be 3 5/8 inch. I'm going to give myself a little bit of room for the fold. So 3 5/8 inch. And then the last measurement is going to be 3 3/4 inches. And then we just leave what's left over for the little flap. Really simple, really easy, makes a cute little vehicle for your artwork. And we just score it. A really good score. Okay. Okay. I always fold it back on itself, give it an extra flat fold. Okay, and then see, it just folds up into itself with a little flap. Easy peasy. So I trimmed this down to 9 1/4 to fit in the number 10 envelope, which is 9 1/2. So it fits really well in there. You can kind of see how it just slides. It would slide right in. And then I also have this leftover little card that would make a great card to go on a gift. Put a little seal on there. Be darling, okay? Really easy, simple to do. Put your artwork on there, your scrapbook papers, whatever you feel like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.